I took the trade right after the big red candle. What is your opinion for this trade? Consider commenting in the comment section before you watch the rest of the video. So hello traders, welcome to the price action trading channel. This channel is dedicated to no indicator trading setups which require trading with the help of price actions. So if it is something that you require, that you need to enhance your skills, consider subscribing. So let's get started. So I'm into USD JPY pair because I'm seeing an opportunity. Let's wait for this candle to close and then I'll explain why I took that trade if I get an opportunity. Okay, so I took a put option here. Yeah, there's some kind of delay, so I took a put option here. I'll just explain in a bit. Let's wait for a few more seconds. Now if you notice, I have drawn support and resistance which is actually broken by the previous candle, big candle, and this is also a reversal sign. If you notice, this is an evening star which signifies that candle or the trading setup should go down. Now the candle is forming. In order to reach or in order to get that support, we should wait at least a few more seconds. It is getting rejected. Okay, it should be a win for us because there was no support in between. Okay, see that support was even not stronger, it was a weaker support. Now you see that we did win this trade. Okay, I'm staying at USD JPY pair only because there is even a stronger support which might even be tested. So let's wait for this candle to finish, because if you notice the last 2 or 3 candles, it is a bearish trend and it is even a stronger red candle. So I'm going to set up a support line here. Okay, I'm setting up the support line here. Probably need to move it a bit down because yeah, this is the exact place, because if you notice, there is even a number of touches which is getting increased if I move to that line. Okay, the candle is about to finish, so I took a put option here. I'll just explain. Now I have darkened the support line here, and notice the how 3 or 4 last candles were big red candles. That means there is no buyer. That means the candle is going to even cross it or even rest on that support now. So since there is no doji, nothing is there, no green candle, I am expecting the market to even cross that level or probably rest at that level. So this is the reason I'm taking this trade. Pure price action, nothing else. Okay, let's wait few more seconds. Okay, it should be a win for us now. Now notice that how that candle crossed that support line with a big candle again. We did win now. I will still wait on this chart only because I'm seeing again one opportunity, and previous support was clearly broken, which is now a resistance, and the broken candle which actually broke was a big red candle. So let's wait for this candle to finish and then we'll probably see how it goes with the trade, whether we get an opportunity to take the trade or not. So I'm going to speed up this video a bit for a minute because I want to see how the candle gets closed. So I actually did not take that trade. The reason is support zone. The candle was very close to support zone, and I was expecting the market to show a very small kind of candle. Now the price action was saying that it should be a big red candle, but still I avoided because of this support zone. Now I called here because the candle did not break free from that support zone and it is right in that support zone. I'm expecting the market to go up for at least a minute or 2 minutes. So it's make it a thumb rule that you should avoid a trade if you're not sure. If your price action is saying something else than the actual support and resistance. So it's better to win than to lose. Wait for some time, make your calculation or whatever you are doing with the price action. Wait for it to come at your level and then only you should call it or make a put. Okay, let's wait. I'm expecting a win here. It should be a clear win because it was a false breakout. It was right in the support zone. Yes, we won. So these are the things that we should do with a price action trading. So if it is something that excites you, that you want to learn, consider subscribing the channel because I don't use any kind of indicator and you would be learning a lot in this channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.